Very good evening. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am explaining some important Power BI interview question. The first one is, what is a relationship in Power BI and how many types are there? So first, that we are seeing the definition of relationship. Relationship links multiple tables for data analysis. So if we want to join two tables, we use this relationship. By using this relationship, we can join the tables for our data analysis. There are mainly two types of relationships exist in Power BI. There are active and inactive relationships with the types including many to one, one to many, and many to many. So we given uh, relationship between fact and dimension table. Based on the table, there exist types of relationship, many to one, one to many, and many to many. If we given the relationship between dimension tables to fact table, there exists a one to many relationship. If we give the relationship from fact to dimension table, there exists many to one. If we given the relationship between fact to fact table, that means if more than one column, one values exist in one table, there exist a many to many relationship. So, for example, in a sales database, a relationship can be created between the sales table containing sales transaction, that is a fact table, and the customer table containing customer details. So, between these tables, a many to one relationship would link multiple sales transactions to a single customer. If we want to use the data in both tables, there must be a relationship. There must give a relationship between the tables. So next one is, what is cardinality in Power BI? Cardinality refers to the uniqueness of values in a column, defining relationships between tables as many to one, one to many, or many to many. So, cardinality refers to the uniqueness of a values in a column. For example, based on the cardinality, cardinality defines the relationships as many to one, one to many, and many to many. Cardinality between the sales table and the products tables would be typically be many to one, as each product can have multiple sales transactions. So the next one is, what is cross filtering in? Cross filtering allows filters to be applied in single or both directions between related tables, affecting data displayed in report. So by use cross filtering in Power BI, it allows the filters to be applied in single or both directions between the related tables, affecting data displayed in reports. So if we use cross filter, uh, we can adjust the data in two ways based on our requirement. It allows the filter the data in two ways. Sales manager filters sales data by region. Cross filtering can ensure that both the sales transaction and customer details are filtered accordingly. The next, can data sets be deleted from the workspace in Power BI Pro? As data sets can be deleted from the workspace, but if the app is published, it needs to be unpublished first. So, if we want to delete any data sets from the workspace, publish it. If it is published, we must unpublish it and then uh, delete from the workspace. For example, a sales analyst can delete outdated sales data sets from the Power BI workspace to keep the data organized and up to date. And the next one is, what are Power BI reports? Power BI reports are a series of visualizations, filters, and static elements saved as a single PBX file connecting to a single dataset. The Power BI reports are a series of visualizations, filters, and static elements saved as a single PBX file connecting to a single dataset. A sales, for example, a sales report can include visualization showing monthly sales trends, sales by product category, and the sales performance by a sales representative. So this is about Power BI report. So these are all the today's important Power BI entry questions. I hope this video helps you to know more about Power BI entry questions. Thank you.